From the home screen, select Chart. At the top right of your screen, press Menu. Select More Options. Select Chart Source. Now choose your CatchMap. Select Back. Select Chart Options. Turn on Shaded Relief and touch the center of the chart to close the menu. Access the current chart by pressing the arrow and then pressing the center of the bubble. Return to the chart by pressing the X at the top right. Access tide charts by selecting one of the tidal stations throughout the map. Press the center of the bubble. Return to your map by pressing the X at the top right.